Welcome to the best picks. The best Polaris Ranger fuel pump is probably one of the most important components in keeping your off-road vehicle running smoothly, and choosing the right one can be confusing with so many options available. This video will provide an in-depth review of the Polaris Ranger fuel pump, covering its features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision, so you can get back to enjoying the trails. Number 5. QFS Polaris Ranger Fuel Pump. This fuel pump is a direct replacement for your Polaris Ranger. It's designed for a quick and easy installation, getting you back on the trail faster. It's a simple drop-in replacement. The kit includes everything you need for a complete and worry-free installation. This comprehensive kit includes the fuel pump, tank seal, and everything else you need. No need to source parts separately. It's engineered for peak performance and reliability, exceeding 10,000 hours or 100,000 miles of use. High-quality materials ensure consistent flow and quiet operation. Upgraded polymers, brushes, and commutators guarantee consistent fuel flow and quiet operation. The durable Vuitton seal outlasts the original, even with high ethanol fuels. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty and dedicated US-based customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It's a direct fit replacement, making installation a breeze. This ensures a perfect fit for your Polaris Ranger. If you value ease of installation and a lifetime warranty, this is the pump for you. Number 4. HFP QFS Fuel Pump for Polaris Ranger. This fuel pump is designed to be an affordable and reliable replacement for your Polaris Ranger. It's a comprehensive kit, making installation quick and easy. It fits various Polaris Ranger models from 2006 to 2013, including the 500, 700, and 800 models. Check compatibility before purchasing. This kit includes everything you need for a smooth replacement. No need to source parts individually, saving you time and effort. It's engineered for peak performance and longevity, exceeding 10,000 hours or 100,000 miles of use. It provides consistent fuel flow and quiet operation. It features upgraded polymers, brushes, and commutators for superior performance and durability. You can expect a long-lasting, trouble-free experience. We stand behind it with a lifetime warranty and dedicated US-based customer service. We're here to help if you have any questions or issues. Modifications may be needed for certain applications. Please verify compatibility with your specific model before installation. What we like. It's an affordable OEM replacement that's quick and easy to install. It's built to last for thousands of hours. If you are on a budget and need a reliable replacement, this is a great option. What people say. Worked as described. These pumps are a great replacement for the expensive OEM. Fit perfectly and have a great warranty. It went right in very easy installation. Number 3. FLIBEN Fuel Pump Assembly. This fuel pump is engineered for superior performance, delivering precise fuel flow for maximum engine power. It's designed to meet or exceed strict emission standards. It boasts new turbo technology, ensuring optimal fuel delivery and maximizing your engine's horsepower. Experience a noticeable improvement in your vehicle's performance. This fuel pump is compatible with a wide range of Polaris Ranger models. Check the part number to ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle. It fits various Polaris Ranger models, including the Ranger 500, 700, and 800, spanning model years 2008 to 2013. Verify your model year and part number for a perfect fit. Always double-check the part number, model, make, and year of your vehicle before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. Contact us if you have any questions. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. If you're not satisfied, we offer an exchange or a full refund. What we like. It offers excellent performance with a high-pressure flow rate. It's compatible with a wide range of Polaris Ranger models. If you need a high-performing pump with broad compatibility and a 1-year warranty, consider this one. What people say. Perfect fit. Works great. Installed and working. I bought this for my 2007 Polaris Ranger 700. The top plate was different from my setup, so I just put the new pump on my old housing and it fit perfectly. Started right up and is working well so far. Great quality and fit, no issues. Working as they should. Number 2. YOENDA E11005 Fuel Pump. This fuel pump is designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a smooth and easy installation process. It seamlessly replaces your old fuel pump without any modifications needed. Enjoy the same great performance as the original equipment. It boasts an impressive flow rate of over 18.5 GPH and operates at 12 V. This ensures efficient fuel delivery to your engine. The advanced inlet design enhances performance and efficiency, resulting in a longer lifespan. It's rigorously tested to guarantee worry-free operation. We stand behind our product with confidence. It comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. This fuel pump is designed for easy installation. No special tools or expertise are required. What we like. It's a direct replacement that requires no modifications. It's designed for increased performance and efficiency, leading to a longer lifespan. If you prioritize a direct fit and a longer-lasting pump with a 2-year warranty, this is a great choice. What people say. Working perfectly so far on 1999 Polaris Ranger. Once I corrected my fuel line problems. Installed on 2012 Polaris Ranger 400H 4x4 to replace an OEM fuel pump that was apparently failing for some time now. Was plug and play and experienced an immediate and noticeably improved engine performance. Look and feel was same as the OEM, electrical connections and mounting bracket holes matched perfectly. A 10-minute swap, only because I took my sweet time. Part was exact fit, enter good info on the vehicle it's being replaced on. Number 1. Polaris Ranger Fuel Pump E11005. This brand new fuel pump is a direct replacement for your Polaris Ranger. It's designed for a seamless installation and offers the same performance as the original equipment. It fits a range of Polaris Ranger models, including the 400 and 500 series from 1999 to 2014. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your vehicle. This is a direct replacement part, meaning no modifications are needed for installation. Simply replace your old pump with this one. It delivers the same performance as the original equipment, ensuring reliable fuel delivery to your engine. It's built to last. It operates on 12 V, with a pressure of 3 to 5 psi, a flow rate exceeding 18.5 GPH, and a current of less than 1.5 A. These specifications guarantee optimal performance. This fuel pump is a direct replacement for part numbers 401-1545, 401-1492, 401-0658, and 417-0020. Make sure to check your part number before ordering. What we like. It's a direct replacement that offers the same performance as the original equipment. It's thoroughly tested for worry-free performance. If you need a reliable, direct fit replacement with a 2-year warranty, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install and hook up. Quality is great, good gas flow, no leakage, kept up good, gave us more speed. It works fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.